ClickUp versus Notion 2024, which is the best management tool for you. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be comparing ClickUp and Notion over here. Now in ClickUp, you will be able to have spaces over here where you will be able to manage different tasks and different views like a board, calendar, a Gantt chart. You will be able to view your different tasks differently. And as you can see here, you will be able to create a group of tasks and then a specific task, and then you could assign it to someone. There's also documents, dashboard, clips, and many more features. Now in Notion, you are able to do this as well, but in Notion, you are able to be as creative and you will be able to create virtually anything inside of Notion. You could do the same tasking over here, similarly to how this would look like. But the difference between Notion and ClickUp is you're not limited with a specific template or a specific style. ClickUp has a lot of different tools, like for example over here, if you click on plus, you're able to add text, heading, to-do list, bullet list, toggle list, quote, call out, and so much more features over here that you will be able to build. So you could build your own task manager in the way you want it to appear like, in the way you want it to proceed. So you have a lot of freedom inside of Notion. ClickUp is great. You are able to do your task absolutely inside of ClickUp. But if you want to have a lot of freedom and have a lot more usage aside from doing some task or like task management, Notion is the application or the website for you. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.